I think this interfaith colloquium in Lampeter it's unique for a couple of reasons. I think the main one is that it really represents a certain sense of the context of Wales, especially in terms of both interfaith work and also theological reflection. So holding this conference here, it connects the work that we're doing here at UWTSD, not just with kind of movements in the church in Wales, but also with the various religious communities throughout Wales.
I was greatly encouraged. It was good to have academics to look at the issue of where interfaith now rests in who we are as a people. Where do we go next in terms of our politics? And I was greatly encouraged by that. It's very obvious that there's a new dynamic afoot, particularly in some parts of Wales where new cultures, different cultures are coming together and creating a civic dynamic that is what I think is quite crucial. I think it's crucial that we do have conversation with each other, and those of us who are out there practicing interfaith work and bringing communities together need sometimes to think, to have what we do analysed by good minds, and to see where we need to develop strategically for the future, particularly in a world perhaps that is in the wake of populism becoming less tolerant, less kind to the other. And I think thinking about those things is crucial and vital.
Well, our focus today has been on interfaith studies and dialogue in Wales, and it's really the first time that we've had an opportunity to reflect specifically on this context. And it's been a very rich morning of perspectives, thinking about what the future of interfaith studies might actually look like in Wales, but also alongside that what the practice might be, so what's actually going on the ground. And that's been kind of very enriching to hear from both kind of academics and practitioners and those who are kind of mixture of both.
It feels good to come back to Lampeter. Many fond memories. I think this is where I began to learn how to think in earnest, and I think it's good to come back almost for me now at the end of a career to think again and to look at where I need to go, where those around me need to think, and to perhaps plot ahead in a new setting in a new way. It's always good to think.
I think my main kind of come away would be that there's a real vibrancy to religion in Wales at the moment, a real kind of push from a variety of different religious organisations to talk with each other better and come to a better understanding of each other as well.